Hello, I'm Shadow. We will learn about stock calculations in Microsoft Excel. First of all, you know about the Microsoft Excel. It is a spreadsheet developed by Microsoft for Windows, Mac OS, Android and iOS. It features calculation, graphing tools, pivot tables, and a macro programming language. Looks like Ben Tennyson can help me to find out. But before, let's make a quick recap on the last video. The formula for the stock calculator is given by the total buying price equal to shares multiplied by buying price plus buying commission. Also about the total selling price equal to shares multiplied by selling price plus selling commission, where commission is a service charge assessed by a broker or investment advisor for providing investment advice or handling purchases and sales of securities for a client. To obtain a total profit, the total buying price must be greater than the selling price. Now, let's go ahead and tell Ben how to use this software. Ben, does Microsoft Excel software owned by the Microsoft company?
Yes, Shadow. I hope you're back with me.
Sure.
Well, I think it contains rows and columns of cells.
I know.
Rows containing numbers and columns containing letters. The default selection of a cell is A1.
Okay, Ben. How can you apply calculations on a spreadsheet?
We know the basic formulas containing sum, difference, multiply, divide and average.
Okay.
What we have is the given data for employee workers as an example. Each and every month they receive a salary and thousands of dollars in any companies. Actually, they are simplified to form a single-digit number. Take Joe as an employee and is given first 3 months. He received $4,000 in the middle of month, then $4,100 in the next month, and $3,800 in the third month for cell B2, C2, and D2 respectively. What you have to write is the sum, first put equal sign and sum, then write the cell entries in parenthesis with the help of a colon operator instead of plus. The sum becomes $11,900. That is 11.9. Similarly, with an average, in the same way, we get $3,960 or 3.96.
Thank you for explaining, Ben.
One thing about data validation, Shadow. Data validation lets you range from minimum to maximum values. If you put wrong entries or out of range, a default error message is displayed. That says, the value you entered is not valid. A user has restricted values that can be entered into the cell. To open Data Validation dialog box, click on the Data menu and choose Data Validation.
That's all for the details, Ben.
Thanks, Shadow.
So, this video tells you about the stock calculation in Microsoft Excel. Like, comment, and subscribe now.